From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, Penn State. I'm student meteorologist Jonah Hurley. Getting a live look across Pennsylvania today. We've got quite a gloomy day to start off, pretty much in the mid-60s everywhere with rainy conditions. Got some nice lights in Pittsburgh though, looking nice with the rain. For temperatures across Pennsylvania, we've got some widespread mid to low 60s with even some low 70s here in Philly, even moving into Williamsport. So pretty warm to start off our day overall. And that's mainly because of this rain that's moving through much of the state. We've got some heavier rain up here towards State College and some heavier rain down towards Pittsburgh there. And that'll continue to move through the rest of the state through the day. Again, look at our future radar. We'll have a heavier bit of rain that moves through Pittsburgh, and that'll kind of congeal into a line that'll move through the rest of the state through the day and exiting Pennsylvania by around 8 p.m. And then we see some clearing into tomorrow with a much more pleasant day overall and a lot less rain, although some clouds will stick around, especially into the afternoon. For our precip, we'll see some pretty high precip values for this system if that model run does come to fruition, with 1.5 inches nearly of rain here in State College and widespread values of over 1/2 inch elsewhere. And I wanted to look at our full Euro run because we need to get a good picture of what's going on across the entire country here. For our whiteout game on Saturday, we've got a bit of a low pressure disturbance here that will potentially bring us some rain, although it should hopefully stay south of us as it does in this particular run. And then we do have a couple of tropical systems that will move their way towards the United States. And the leading tropical system may make landfall in the Carolinas and eventually bring rainfall here if this situation does actually occur. And that would be some pretty heavy rainfall here. So we'll have to keep an eye on this if it does indeed happen. And yeah, we're not sure whether this will actually happen yet or not, but we do have to keep an eye on it, because we do have a lot of drought still. We've got a lot of moderate drought, particularly in the northwest portions of the state, and some more extreme drought towards Pittsburgh with abnormally dry conditions through the rest of Pennsylvania. For today, we're expecting a high of 70 degrees with some rain throughout the day, and I honestly wouldn't be surprised to hear a rumble of thunder somewhere in there with wind of 5 miles per hour. For tonight, we'll see some fog late overnight, low of 59, and likely some pretty cloudy conditions through much of the night. For tomorrow, that fog will continue into the morning, although we will clear out and eventually warm up with a high of 76. And getting a look at our 7-day forecast, we'll see much of that will continue through the week. Saturday will be cloudy and 75 degrees for our whiteout game, hopefully remaining dry. And then the weekend will continue to be pretty nice with partly cloudy conditions and 80 degrees on Sunday, and then cooling down into the middle of next week, getting down to 72 and partly cloudy by Wednesday. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Jonah Hurley. Have a great Thursday.